Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn about the Git repository, the version controlling system. Here we will learn about the Git installation, create an account in GitHub, and we will upload any example project to the GitHub repository. Then we will delete the repository and again clone the repository from the GitHub account. So guys, let's start. Oh, our installation is finished. I will click the finish button and just click the right button over here. You will see Git GUI and Git bash over here. Just click on this. Your Git is ready. Okay, so we are done with our Git installation. Now we will go to the GitHub. So here we will click GitHub. Just go to this link and we will sign up. Okay, I will paste the email address using a simple and one of my demo email address over here. Continue. I will use a basic password. Remember, you have to use a software with special cases, capital letter and small letter, and it should be more than 8 letters. So here is my password. I will click continue. I should put a username over here. My name is Joton. If you say yes, then you will receive emails. If you say no, then you will not receive emails. So I will choose no. You have to fix a puzzle. One done. Second one done. So my account is almost ready. Oh, I need to fix the password. You see what is the problem here, that I use my email address into the password. That's the wrong thing. I think it's okay. Now my password is okay. You see the right click over here, so everything okay right now. Now I will create the account and it needs a code, so I have to go to my email address and see. I will receive a code from the GitHub. Yes, I got the code. And here is my code. Let's copy the code and paste it. So you have to answer a couple of questions from here. You can see any, as it is a personal account. So you can press 2 to 5. You can say student or teacher, as I am student. So student, continue. You can click any of these, you can skip the option. Okay, I continue. Here I will choose the free option. Boom, my account is almost ready. So you see, this is my dashboard. So I will press the create repository from here. I will name like first project. I'm going to upload a splash screen on Android project slash code. So I will left it public because initially I want to share it to all of my friends, so it will stay public. I don't need to add anything from here, and let's start to create the repository. My repository is done. So the next step is okay, see, if you might have a question, what is actually Git is actually I just wrote some things from here, but actually what is Git? If I want to describe it in one line, it tracks the changes of the project. So whatever I do changes in a project, if I commit the project, it will take a version from here, and I can traverse to my versions at any time. So this is actually Git, and the GitHub is the hosting platform that I can host my source code to this GitHub links, and it let us and others to work together from anywhere. So here are some links. From here you can follow these links to create your GitHub account. Yes, here the GitHub account, and download your Git repositories and some tutorials over here. So there are some difference over here, you can read all of them. Then there are some basic commands. First one is at the first time of the project we need to git initialize. That command is git init. Then we will add our folders and files to the git. The command is git add dot means all. If I want to specify a file, then git add the file name with the extension, or you can also add your folder using the folder name. Then we will commit our files, git commit -m. In the double quotation you will paste or you will write any of your message, like day 1, day 2, like this. Then we will define the actual branch, which branch we are going to upload our project. Here we will define main. After this, okay, let's start. We will enter the folder, right button over here, git bash, our first command. Remember, you need to stay in your project folder to upload your git folder, git to upload into the GitHub, or to store it into a version control into your git. So if you are in another folder, then you can't make it. You need to stay in the specific folder. So here the first command will do init. You see, there is a line initialized empty git repository, and here you also see .git folder. Actually, what does it contains? It contains all the information about our commit, our history, our repository links, and etc. etc. So you don't need to worry about this .git file. Let it stay as it is. So we are done with our git initialization. Then we will add all from this folder. Okay, then we will commit our edit files, and we will name it as init. Okay, our initialization complete, adding complete. We also completed our project. So the next step will be we should define our branch. The command is branch minus m main. Didn't know why we are using main, because if you go over here you will see that this is main folder. Okay, main branch. Okay, see, master replaced with main. The next step is we need to define the origin, the full name of the GitHub repository. So here we will copy our name from the GitHub. Git origin. So did you see this command, git remote at origin? That means we will add a remote link. We need to add the origin remote link actually. So this command is git remote at origin. So if I want to push right now, I push origin. This is the command for pushing all the changes to the GitHub repository. It is going to push. I got a little problem here, so again we will push from origin main. You see we're done. So here if you refresh the file, the project is here. So we successfully uploaded our project into the GitHub repository. So just cut it. Okay, so now we can delete the folder from here. If we delete our folder, then what will happen? Let's delete. Done. Okay, we deleted our splash screen folder. Just example folder, like we named Android projects. Now we want our splash screen over here, right? So open the git bash, go to your project folder, your repository here, this splash screen, just refresh it. Go see, here is a button named code. Tap on it, see this link, copy this link copied. Here type git clone insert, enter. See, you got your project. If there is any changes into the project, so if you want to update your project, so just main. Here it says up to date, but if there is any changes, it will pull the changes to this repository. In this way, we will use this Git software and GitHub account to version control, which is simply said VCS, virtual version control system. So we can use these two things to control our version of the project. You don't need to make multiple versions folder to make to track on your files. So thank you very much. See you. Assalamu alaikum.